Alright, so for this week, we're going to be looking at Tesla once again. Tesla is one of my favorite stocks to trade. As you know, as you probably know already, Tesla's been in the news quite a bit. Well, Elon Musk has been in the news quite a bit for his deal pulling out of Twitter, and then with him in the news about the children and everything like that. However, that's all fundamental analysis, and that can affect all the prices. That can affect the price of Tesla. It can affect the price of Twitter as well. We'll look at Twitter in a minute. As a matter of fact, let's look at Twitter right now. Twitter. Here we are. As we can see, with Twitter, prices dropped. On the 22nd, he pulled out. As we can see, the prices dropped a little bit. But let's go back to Tesla because I don't want to focus too much on Twitter right now. Now, I'm going to be looking at Tesla for this past week. Past week has been easy to trade, and it's been a good week for Tesla. Whether you're going to long it, whether you're going to short it, whatever you're going to do with it, you would have been profitable. Ideally, if you got into one buy call on the 5th, which was a Monday. Wait a second, is that a 5th? Tuesday, markets were closed on Monday because of the fact that it was Independence Day. If you got into one buy call and just held it for the rest of the week, that would have been great. However, if you're not into intraday, if you're not into holding your trades overnight, which many people aren't into, and the reason why many people aren't into that is because the market can drop. You never know where it's going to go. Take, for example, if you got into a buy over here on Friday. If you woke up in the morning on Tuesday, you would have been that trade would have been red. It would have gone up, but you don't always know what's going to happen. So on Tuesday, the market started off bearish, and then all of a sudden it turned around. And all you would have had to have done was get into one trade, and you would have been fine. Wednesday was a little bit choppy, but towards the end of the day and towards the middle of the day, you could have been profitable if you got out at the right moment. And this is what we go over. Sometimes it's difficult to know when to get out of a trade. Many people don't look at support resistance levels. Many people might only look at one indicator. Many people just might rely on an indicator, or they might have no idea about how the market moves, timings of the market, and that's what we go over. As you can see in some of our previous videos, we have live trading. We're trading live, so you can watch us as we do it, and we're planning on implementing that feature on a daily basis in the near future. So as we can see, next day, the 7th, very easy day. One trade, you would have been fine. Next day, very easy day as well. Keep in mind that during these small moves over here, let's just zoom into this. During these small moves over here, that's a few $100s if you're trading, one contract, not one share, one contract. That's a few $100s. So you have to know when to get in. You have to cut your losses quickly. I'm going to repeat that. You're going to have to cut your losses quickly, or you're going to have to close out when you're breaking even or have a small profit if the market is going, or if your trade is going into the negative. The worst thing you want to do, the last thing you want to do, you don't even want to do it. If you get into a short over here and you think the market's going to turn around and it's not, and you just hold on to the trade, you're going to be losing. That's what many people do. They hold on to their trades because they think that the market is going to turn around, because they don't want to accept the small loss. Now, it's better to accept a smaller loss than it is a larger loss. So if the trend changes, close your trade. It's okay to lose some, because ultimately everybody loses. There's going to be winning trades, and there's going to be losing trades. You're not going to win every single trade, and that is okay. That is expected. The better you get, the more profitable you'll become. So, this was Tesla for this week. Today is July 9th. Only a 4-day week this week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because Monday was July 4th, National Holiday, Independence Day. So this is it for this week. If you have any questions, head over to our website at www.awakeglobalcapital.com. We have a message feature in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Send us a message, send us an email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Apply to be a part of our mastermind, and we'll go over all of this in depth. And we'll also give you access to these indicators, and we'll also get on live one-on-one calls with you to address all of your questions. On top of that, we're planning on trading live every single day. So when you're ready, just head over to the website, submit an application, we'll talk, and then we can move forward.